Alright, welcome back to Ruger's Toy Box. We had to leave off the last video to take care of this little monster over here. It was crying. So we opened up the Hot Wheels Scorpion Drive-In Attack. It's here, bud, let's turn it this way. We figured out how to play it. You want to show everybody how it works? Peekaboo. Oh, is he taking a nap over there?
Yeah. We have to be quiet.
Oh, we have to be quiet.
No, we have to be loud.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Is he sleeping?
Can we try to launch him into the scorpion stinger?
But this one's like a cheeseburger.
It is a little cheeseburger. So there's a little menu in there. Super cute.
Oh.
Cheeseburgers, French fries, the good stuff.
Hi. I'm back.
You're back? Okay, let's show everybody how you're supposed to launch it.
Why should I'm going to take a nap.
Or take a nap. So you're supposed to put the car right here, and then you smash the red lever down, and it's supposed to launch it all the way over here, and it clicks down. And then, when if the car hits it hard enough, it'll either go this way or this way. And then the scorpion stinger, this green guy, flips it into the basket, and then it flips it out.
And then push down.
Oh, right into my leg. Here, let's shut the gate.
I'm going to try something.
Okay. Oh!
I'm going to try something.
Oh, he crashed. Oh, you got to put the stinger down.
No, I want to try something.
Okay. Try something. Did it go through?
Yeah. Watch. Yeah. Ooh.
Here, bud. I want to see if we can flip it into the basket.
I want to try something.
Oh, and there's the little scorpion's face. See his little face down here? His little eyes. Yeah, and then those are his little claws and then his stinger. How does what move?
This McGrath move.
It doesn't. It's just like pretend. It's just a little pretend garage. It doesn't open up, buddy. Cause it's a launcher. It's not for like to park in. We'll have to connect it to your tire. Is he so tired from launching so much?
Yeah, no, come on. It's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out.
Okay, launch him.
Coming out soon.
And you kind of gotta like smack the lever. It says, there you go. Oh, and he stayed in the basket. You gonna flip him out? Can I flip him out? Oh, there we go.
I'm gonna try again.
Okay, try it again. And so it either stays in the basket or it flips it. Okay, let me smush the stinger down. Oh, we flipped outside the basket.
Try again.
Oh, my leg. I think your baby brother is talking away over here. Hi, buddy. Hi. He's just talking away. Oh, we flipped out.
I'll try this again.
Okay.
Oh, this is going to be so cool.
There's the back of it. It's a pretty cool one. They're the little ones. And they all connect.
Look, this is the cheeseburger one.
That's the cheeseburger one. Can we turn it that way? There we go. Oh!
This is not going to work.
Is it not working? Oh!
I'm so scared.
Yeah, it's pretty particular about like where the car has to be. Well, don't open the gate up. This is like where we can connect it to like other Hot Wheel tracks. Whoa, he shot right out.
Ah, I got stuck. Oh no.
Oh, shot out my leg. Close that yellow gate, buddy, so it'll go into the basket. Oh, he flipped him out.
I want to try this way.
Okay.
This is cool.
So we're slowly working on collecting these guys. There's a lot of big ones too. We don't really have any of the big ones, but we do have the little tire. And we have another little one somewhere. There's a lot on this map.
Oh yeah! I figured it out!
You figured it out?
Yeah.
Cool.
Shut this. I'm going to show you something. So cool.
Oh, he shot out. Hey, you want to go grab the tire and we'll see if we can connect them?
I can't find it.
If you can't find it, okay, we'll have to look for it later. We'll play with this. Alright, we're going to keep playing with our cool new Hot Wheels set. Whoa! You want to tell everybody bye?
Bye.
Alright, thanks for watching Ruger's Toy Box. Don't forget to like and subscribe.